Makali. Shout out sa all sa Kim Johansen Transport ha. I'm here now in Philippines. This is my vacation time. This is Abukari. This is Holy Week. Holy Week from here in the Philippines. That's why we're going to the mountain and make some sacrifice. That's our old belief of the Catholic. And for mine, I'm only enjoying my vacation, not for religious intention, only for enjoying my vacation. That's why I'm here. Dear, come here. So I'm not going here for the religious, but for my enjoyment of my vacation in the Philippines. That's why I'm here. Getting some view, nice view, and good weather. The weather is good and hot, and you can wear t-shirt and wearing shoes. You see the mountain. Mountain is good and very cold and little bit hot. That's why you can make some little bit enjoyment. Makalipas na ako ay di gusto. Ako pa ba'y dapat yakapin sa akin na araw at saglit? Yung mga mata. Di ba?